Hey everybody, Zach here, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we are going to do an overall update on the market as well as it relates to Shiba Inu. And of course, we're waiting on the one big piece, which is Shiba Swap. Of course, Coinbase Pro is looming too. But let's take a look at the overall market. I've got some interesting articles to get to toward the end of this video too. One about Coinbase in particular expanding into a large population. So we're going to talk about that. And then also what cryptocurrency is going to look like in 50 years from now and how SHIB fits in to that future. So that's kind of what we're going to get into here in this video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returner, a longtime listener, welcome back. And if you are new here, we'd love to have you subscribe to the channel, join here officially. And of course, you can just do that by hitting the subscribe button. Hit that little bell notification so you know every time we go live, every time we put out another video. So for the second day in a row here, market up about 3 to 4%, which is good. Bitcoin slightly over 2%, under 3%. Ethereum making some nice gains as well, up over 4%, closing in on 5% up. 23.25 now. Ethereum slowly creeping back up toward 2,500, and we can see Cardano slowly creeping back up towards 150. Dogecoin making some nice action, some positive action too. Look at Cardano in the last 7 days, very quietly up 14%. Ethereum too, up 26%. XRP 13%. Look at Uniswap, up about 30% in the 7-day. And we'll scroll on down here. We'll see a couple here. Ethereum Classic, a big gainer. Internet Computer, also a big gainer. And where is SHIB? There we go. SHIB also a pretty big gainer too, next to Aave as well. SHIB right now ranked 29. It just got passed here by Aave because of how well Aave's been doing. But overall, still number 29 in market cap, still top 30 asset. And it's good to be settled back into that top 30, which was interesting because really what helped SHIB get back into the top 30 and solidify itself again there was the mini market crash, right? Before that, we were ranked like 35, 36, but SHIB just didn't fall off as many other assets didn't fall off as much, and was able to kind of stay in the top 30 because of that. So good to see that. And of course, we're looking at that 8.7 level right now. We'll take a look at Bitcoin shorts because we know how much this impacts the overall market. Bitcoin shorts right now pretty low, those positions, so that's why we're seeing the market green right now. A lot of good things going on right now in the market. I read something yesterday that said a lot of institutional money has been filing back into Bitcoin, Ethereum, the big assets. That's why you're also going to see the altcoins rising as well. I had to get a sip of coffee. Also, happy 4th of July for everybody out there in the United States who celebrates 4th of July. Hopefully you have some great times with your friends and family. And happy weekend to everybody else out there not celebrating the 4th, but just enjoying their weekend. So real quick while we're on data mesh, let's take a look at the Ethereum shorts just to see if they're pretty similar. Now the Ethereum shorts are a little bit more than Bitcoin, but still relatively low, 4%, as it relates to the long position. So that's good to see. All right, so let's take a look at SHIB in particular here. And we're going to see here, let's take a look at the 7-day chart. We can get an idea of what it's done in the last week. Price change, it's slightly up about 1% right now. Volume slightly up as well. The amount of holders now up over 580,000 holders for SHIB. Market cap's at 3.4 billion right now. We've been hovering around that 3.4, 3.5 billion. You can see here just we had a nice pop here on the 29th, of course, leading up to the big event, and then we've kind of just leveled off here, slowly coming back up though. Look, over the last 3 days, just making a slow, nice rise up, getting close to that 909 level. Very close. So we'll see if we can turn this 8 into a 9 here very soon, and that'd be nice to see. Had a big spike in volume, of course, leading up to the AMA event. All right, let's pop over to holders, and you can see, let's see, from yesterday, or from the 1st over to the 2nd, we gained about 3,000 holders. And that's been kind of the norm, 3,000 to 5,000 holders per day. And, you know, a couple good days, we can be right up there, getting close to 600,000. I'm just going to say we're up over 580,000 because we have not updated yet. We haven't put July 3rd in there, and I'm assuming we continue this growth, right? But this is good to see. The amount of holders continues to rise. And we'll take a look at the leash token as well. Also, in this video, we're going to talk about some more trending coins from CoinGecko, so you're going to want to check that out. I'll have that for you here in just a minute. Let's see, Leash, Doge Killer, let's see. So we're slightly up with SHIB, slightly up with Leash as well, up over 3,400. Of course, this one has fluctuated quite a bit, but in the 24-hour, it's been pretty flat. Trading volume down a little bit. Of course, there's only 107,000 and some change of circulating Leash, so total Leash. Okay, this is what I was referring to with the top 10 trending coins. Shiba Inu #1, Bitcoin #2, Ethereum, SafeMoon, Internet Computer, Polygon, Feg, Dogecoin, Cardano, and Quant. So this is very interesting. I'm loving to see this. This is the big part of the video that I wanted to stay on here for a little while. This is great to see SHIB trending over assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum and SafeMoon and Polygon and Feg, Doge, Cardano, which are household names. People are interested in this, and I think this is only going to draw more interest in the next few weeks. We saw that Coin Bureau covered SHIB recently in a video, who has over 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Last check, that video had like 150,000 views and probably will continue to get them over the next few days. That is great exposure for SHIB. People who don't know what SHIB is, now they do. So we love seeing this. We always take a look at the Google Trends. This is CoinGecko's top 10 trending coins in the United States from June 26th to July 2nd, which is really cool to see. Let me know what you think about this too, about any of the other assets that are trending right now. I'd like to get your thoughts there. Okay, let's pop over to a couple articles here. Shiba Inu plateaus after sell-off, contemplates 40% upswing, so a couple important levels to watch. Let's see here. Assuming a bull rally begins at the 0811 level, SHIB could slice through the intermediate levels and climb 40% to tag a ceiling at that 11 level. Okay, that would shake a zero, obviously, and we have not done that recently. We've had some resistance there at the high 9s, so that would be nice to see to break out of that recently. All right, so break out of that sometime soon, I should say. All right, so this is a really cool story. Coinbase founder Brian Armstrong says company is ramping up India team. This is very cool. So, and as it relates to SHIB, of course, it has a connection. Does SHIB in India related to the India COVID Relief Fund? Of course, SHIB saves lives, right? That hashtag grew like crazy in May. So NASDAQ-listed crypto exchange Coinbase looking to aggressively expand its India operations. This could be really big once SHIB gets added to Coinbase, right? And then people in India are able to purchase SHIB there. This could be very big for the entire ecosystem. And you know, something very interesting going on. I want to mention this in this video too. One of the big future plans, layer 2 blockchain for Ethereum, it's going to be called Shibarium, and Bone will be the native token, right? And they're going to get help from Polygon, the people at Polygon. Now, if you remember, Polygon is founded and run by people from India. So this could get really interesting down the line. I think Polygon is going to get involved. Sandeep Nawal is going to help Polygon, or excuse me, help Shiba Inu return the favor, if you will, because he headed up the Crypto Relief Fund. It's going to be very interesting to see how these two assets are intertwined. As you guys know on the channel, I love Polygon, right? Also love SHIB. So this is really cool that they're looking like they're going to be working together for a long time. But overall, I thought this was really cool. This is Brian Armstrong, their CEO, saying Coinbase is building out an office in India. Amazing team already in place. Come join us. Thought that was really neat. Okay, and then last piece here. This was an interesting article I stumbled across. Here's what cryptocurrencies will look like in 50 years, according to experts. I thought this was just interesting to add at the end. Some of the experts here. Here's a financial planner and founder of Delaney Wealth Management. Cryptocurrencies are going to disrupt traditional finance because one of their most attractive utilities is the ability to efficiently transfer payments across borders. Those peer-to-peer transactions, right? Those are going to become more and more common, he's saying. The Money Plot, A History of Currency's Power to Enchant, Control, and Manipulate. He's the author of this, Frederick is. He's saying, the drive to invest in tokens will only accelerate. This is what I say all the time. A lot of people say, am I late to the party? Am I late? You're not late. You're actually here just in time. And I just realized I didn't turn on my ring light, but hopefully we got enough light in this video. But it's interesting because I hear a lot of people say, am I too late? Am I too late? I think we're all very early in the crypto game right now, so it's good that we're here. Okay, and then meet the senator advocating for Bitcoin as a retirement asset. That's kind of interesting. Central bank authorities are busy developing regulations on crypto. This is something we talk about all the time. Banks just don't know what to do yet, but they're going to get involved. They're going to be forced to, right? And they're saying basically crypto is going to become mainstream in the next 10 years. And if we look at that, we're already here. We're already at the space, and we are early adopters, right? Early investors. So, guys, if you got some value out of this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe. This has been the Shiba Inu update. Also, just a general market update as well. Hopefully, you enjoyed that. And let me know your thoughts down below. SHIB continuing to be a top trending asset. This one on this list from CoinGecko, which I love to see that. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.